Let's build our writing skills. Writing can be lots of fun if we practice it together. Kindly take a print of this worksheet and get started with this writing activity. Welcome kids to your writing class. We shall learn how to make humps lines. This activity shall help us write several letters such as N, M, H, P in the future. Kangaroo first row. Grip your pencil. Start from the bottom dot and trace the humps 4 times. Stay on the dotted lines. Without lifting the pencil, trace the dotted humps. Practice helps us get better. Kangaroo second row. Start by placing your pencil on the bottom dot. Trace the humps repeatedly. Stay within the blue lines. Writing helps in the coordination of the hand and eye. Keep your focus on the paper and dotted lines. Down to up in a curved movement will help us achieve the humps. Kangaroo third row. Trace the dots, start from the lowest point and take the curve up, come back down and further up. Make 4 humps in a row without lifting your pencil. Remember to stay within the blue lines. Very neat work! Stay on the dotted lines. Writing helps us speak with clarity. This hump activity is very helpful in writing several English alphabets successfully. Quiz time! Identify the hump lines from the following lines. A. Hump. B. Curly. C. Standing lines. D. Sleeping lines. You are a genius! The answer is A. Good learning today! Share the Humps Line activity with friends and family.
Stay tuned to Bachacha Box. Happy hours for kids.